Welcome to StringBuilder. Build strings efficiently without waste. Here's what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using regular string concatenation in a loop creates many temporary objects. How do we build strings efficiently? String concatenation is slow, creates many temporary objects, wastes memory and time. StringBuilder builds strings efficiently by modifying a single buffer. How is StringBuilder used in the real world? Dynamic HTML. Build web pages efficiently. Log generation. Create log messages quickly. CSV creation. Construct data exports fast. StringBuilder powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without StringBuilder? Concatenating strings repeatedly in a loop. Look at how messy the code gets. Creates many temporary objects, wastes memory and CPU, poor performance scaling. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. StringBuilder. Look how clean the code is now. Efficient string concatenation. Avoids multiple objects. Mutable and fast. Compare the difference. And that is why we use StringBuilder. Let's see how to implement StringBuilder in code. Here is the implementation. Create StringBuilder. Initialize empty builder. Append string. Add hello to builder. Append space. Add space character. Append string. Add world to builder. Convert to string. Get final string. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is StringBuilder primarily used for? Which one is correct? The correct answer is StringBuilder efficiently builds mutable strings. Which method adds text to a string builder? Which one is correct? The correct answer is append adds text to the end of StringBuilder. What is the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is reverse. Method reverses the character sequence. What's the final string builder capacity? Which one is correct? The correct answer is capacity doubles plus 2 when exceeded. 10 greater than 22. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.